Respectable audience, 3 and 3 are cancelled. Just looking it, we cancel 3 and 3. And a remaining portion mean 3 plus 6 will be equal to 9. 9 will be our answer. It's quite simple, but it is wrong. Actually, we have to multiply first in numerator, so we will get 3 plus 6 times 3 will be preferred because multiplication is preferred in PEMDAS, BORDMAS or DMAS rule. So multiplication is being preferred over addition. We will get 18 here. And in the numerator we have 3, which will be written as it is. Now 3 plus 18 will be equal to 21. And in denominator we have 3, which will be further solved to get 7 as answer. So we have 2 answers. Just to seeing it, we got 9, and when we followed PEMDAS rule, we got 7. So which one is correct? Absolutely, 7 is correct answer. Thank you for your support.